prep week, bago mag-start na naman ang new semester. Huwag niyo na po akong i-follow kasi baka hindi na to masundan.
Na yung school ko, pero malayo pa yung lalakarin ko. Second day at work, prep week namin ngayon. And thankfully, hindi na masyadong mainit. Medyo cool na. Autumn lang kasi. And autumn semester na din. I'll be teaching first graders. So far, meron lang akong 5 students. Sir, madagdagan naman pa isa-isa. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit konti na lang yung bata dito sa school. Siguro dahil sa birth rate decline. I don't know. Or maybe hindi magaling mag-market ng school namin. So baka in the next few years wala na akong trabaho. 8:10 na. Actually, late na ako. Pero looking at the habits of my other colleagues, kahapon nga, first day namin, yung isa dumating 3 o'clock na, uwian na. Grabe, no? Nag-log in lang. Classroom ko medyo tapos na rin i-decorate. So, there's not really much to do in my classroom. Siguro magpe-prepare na lang ako ng lesson.
So let's go to my classroom. We've started decorating since yesterday, but I'm not yet done. So far, inuna ko yung door. Hindi pa rin siya tapos because I need the names of my new students. And this is my bare classroom. Nothing much in it yet. I'm not really creative. I just did most of them by myself through Canva, and some of them I purchased them to save me some time because they say time is money, diba? And yeah, this is my classroom that I need to decorate. Let me switch on the AC because it's still kind of warm here. This is Monroe Jr., a Jellycat. He will be our classroom pet, and I will need to make his adventure book. I will use Canva to make all of them. Let's bring it on. I spent most of my day in front of my computer. I made our class timetable. I also printed some labels and other things that I had to cut and laminate. That's basically one of those things that we had to do during prep week. Hi, teacher life, never ending, cutting, printing, and so on. If you would ask me if I enjoy teaching here in China, I definitely do. I can't imagine myself teaching in another country, though I really dream of teaching probably in Spain because of the chance to get a Spanish passport. But economically, I really love it here in China. Everything is convenient. Sideline wise, I think I'm happy. So yeah, I think I'll be staying here for the next few years of my life, teaching and being able to do other side businesses. Yeah, I love it. I sell Jelly Cats, by the way. If you can see, our class pet is Monroe Jr. He's a Jelly Cat. Quite excited for the next few weeks. Excited to meet new students. And yeah, not really excited to be as busy as a bee, not having enough time to even go to the bathroom. So, yeah. Let me know what you'd like to know. Return.